What's up, everyone? Brian here with SLG Concrete Coatings, and we are at the legendary Bill's Takeout in Santa Maria, California, where we are going to be redoing their entire front patio. Now, these guys have been closed for quite a few years. They're back up and running. They're a local landmark, and they serve some amazing food. So I encourage all of you to come by and check it out. But for now, we're just going to get a little footage of what we got going on, and then we'll show you guys the end result. So come join day one. So they're gonna get jamming, keep on going. There's no need for me to be here for right now, but we will come back tomorrow to see the final product. All right, guys, next day, and the guys are knocking out the top coat here at Bill's Takeout, and oh my gosh, it looks freaking amazing. Even passerbys are stoked on it. That looks rad. We are super stoked with how this is turning out. So we're gonna get some finished shots for you guys, and we want to thank Bill's Takeout so much for allowing us to come out and do this, because it's a local landmark. I mean, come on, you gotta love this stuff. So let's get some footage for you and go from there. Go, all completed. Bill's Takeout. We're super excited to be a part of this, and honestly, like, that just turned out absolutely amazing. And the color, in comparison to everything else that they have done here, just looks so perfect as far as matching up. And yeah, we're really excited. We're stoked you guys can come along and check it out. Come check out Bill's, get some food. Come put your feet on the floor, see what you think. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Sorry. It's downtown Santa Maria. What are you gonna do? All right, guys, have a good day.